Hi guys, today we are standing here in front of my main photovoltaic array, and we are going to make a scientific experiment. As you can see, maybe from here, the panels have collected a lot of dust, and I have 3 strings on this array, and 2 of the strings are almost identical in power output. So there's here is 9 340 watt panels, so shy of 3000 watts. Then I have 10 300 watt panels here. We are going to wash and clean this one string with the 9 panels, and the other one we will keep dirty. And so this gives us a very good chance to compare exactly how much cleaning of PV panels can increase your power output. So let's check the panels, how much dust is on them really. So here are the panels, close look on them. These 9 panels here will be the ones we will clean, and the next panels here they will stay dirty as a reference to compare the outcome. And let's go very close to them, and you can see there's quite a bit of dust collected on it. We are here in Thailand, close to the equator, at 13 degrees north latitude, and my roofs, solar roofs, are all actually carports, and they have flat roofs, so maybe maximum 10 degrees angle towards the horizon. And normally here in the tropics, for let's say about 8 months a year, we don't have any problems with dust, because you have rainy season and thunderstorms, strong rainfalls, so they will clean up the panels quite well. But now during the winter time, you can see blue sky for maybe 4 months, and at this time we actually will not have any rainfalls, so the panels can collect quite a bit of dust. Normally I will clean them 1 or 2 times, I guess 2 times during the dry season. So these are the 2 tools we are going to use. We will start with the pressure washer, wash the panels off a little bit, and then touch them a little bit mechanically with the brush. So this is my pool brush. We have a long pole there which we can extend, and after brushing them off we will then touch them, wash them off again with the pressure washer. So it should be quite a quick procedure, and then we will see how much it helped. It's now 11:30 AM and we are now going to read the inverters. This is the 10 300 watt panels, and at the moment we are producing, I don't know if you can see that, it will not focus there. So now it is producing 2030 watts, about 2030 watts. Let's check the other one. This inverter is 9 340 watt panels, and we are producing 1980. Right, so this is it after washing. You will see there's still a little bit dirt on it, but I don't want to be too exact here with the cleaning, because you know you still have to kind of simulate the reality. We will let them dry now and also warm up again, so that the reading is not wrong by different temperatures between these panels now and these panels. And yeah, you might have noticed one of the panels is just wet there because I shot some water there, but that does not make a difference as long there's dust on the other ones. A string is always as weak as the weakest link of it, so it does not have any effect on the reading. So now look at this. During cleaning of the panels we got a cloud cover and the sun is covered. And my plan was to do a reading with about the same power that we had before, but here we now only have 1250, and let's check the other one. 1290. This is why it is important to have a reference. If you would have just read the before power output and now the after, we would not know anything because the radiance of the sun just changed. Okay, we can use those two values and calculate the difference, but as you might already have noticed, it will not be too much. So at our first reading, the reference system had 2030 watts and the string which we cleaned 1980 watts, so it was 50 watts behind, or minus 2.5% weaker than the second one. And at the second reading after cleaning it was opposite, so the reference system had 1250 watts and the cleaned string had 1290, so 40 watts more, or plus 3.5%. So the difference is 6% from before and after cleaning. I'm a little bit disappointed. What do you think? If you search for videos like this about cleaning of a solar panel, what kind of effects does it have, you will also always see like 20%, 30% improvements, right? In those kind of videos people use soap and towels and clean all these panels like perfectly until they are shining. So in real life, especially when the panels are on a roof or you need ladders and long poles and you see like this, it's actually not as much as you can gain. The second thing might be that those kind of panels, the monocrystalline panels, might not be so sensitive towards dirt on top of them, especially if it's only dust, right? Maybe if you have some bird poo or something like that in big places, that can make a difference. So please, if you have different experiences with your system, just leave a comment below. I would be very interested if your numbers are kind of similar or if you have something totally different. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you found this video also interesting, and please like or comment and check out my other videos on the channel, and I'll talk to you next time.